In the vast, untamed wilderness, survival often belongs to the swift and the silent, but one small creature stands out not for its speed or its song, but for its staggering architectural genius. Meet the Baya Weaver, or as it's known in parts of Asia, Burung Manyar. This bird is the master builder of the natural world, without any blueprints, specialized tools, or a single lesson in engineering. The male Manyar meticulously weaves hundreds of blades of grass into a home that is sturdy, complex, and breathtakingly artistic. But this isn't just about building a shelter. For the Manyar, architecture is the language of love. Forget elaborate dances or beautiful melodies. The male weaver bird woos his partner by offering her a house. This nest is the ultimate testament to his dedication, his strength, his intelligence, and the quality of his genes. The sheer effort involved tells the female that he is a robust mate, one fully capable of providing for their future family. During the breeding season, a single determined male might build 2, 3, or even 4 of these incredible structures, knowing that only one might pass the impossibly high standards of his chosen female. It's a high-stakes real estate game where only the best builders win. So, how does this tiny engineer pull it off? The process starts with a strategic choice of location. To protect against predators on the ground, the Manyar always picks high, isolated branches. It especially prefers those that dangle precariously over water, creating a natural moat against snakes and other intruders. Once the perfect spot is secured, the real work begins. The first step is the foundation. The male ties the very first knot, a powerful anchor attached directly to the branch. This knot is like a high-tensile nail, strong enough to support the entire structure. From this single point, he starts weaving the frame, looping and tightening fibers of grass and leaves to create the iconic inverted bottle or spherical shape of the main chamber. His specialized pointed beak acts as both a needle and a shuttle, expertly pushing, pulling, and tucking tough fibers into a structure so tight it's practically airtight. But perhaps the most brilliant feature of the Manyar's creation is its built-in security system. Look closely, and you'll see a long, narrow entrance tunnel dangling from the bottom of the nesting chamber. It looks like an inverted funnel. This clever design is a nightmare for predators. Any intruder, especially a climbing snake, is forced to navigate this long, tight passage while hanging completely upside down. It makes reaching the precious eggs inside almost impossible. This entire feat of avian engineering, a true marvel of instinct and skill, takes the diligent male anywhere from 4 to 10 days to complete. Depending on his stamina and the availability of good building materials, it's a relentless, round-the-clock construction project driven by the powerful instinct to create a safe and perfect home. Once the nest or sarang is finally finished, the true test begins. The male hangs proudly near the entrance, rapidly fluttering his wings and letting out loud, insistent calls. He's advertising his masterpiece, shouting to the world, "For rent? Move in, ready." Now, the most important critic arrives. The female. Her inspection is rigorous, methodical, and completely unforgiving. She doesn't just give it a quick glance. She actively tests the quality of his work. She flies in and immediately examines the strength of the foundational knots, tugging at them to see if they hold. She pulls on individual blades of grass, testing the durability and tightness of the weave. If the exterior passes her inspection, she then enters the dark chamber to judge its internal comfort, size, and structural integrity. Is it spacious enough? Is it properly insulated? Is it safe? If any single part of the structure, the shape, the tension, the interior lining is deemed even slightly inadequate, she simply leaves without a second thought. For the male, this rejection is brutal. It means all his hard work was for nothing. He has to accept failure, abandon the flawed nest, and start a new, equally complex structure from scratch. This demanding selection process is nature's ultimate quality control. It ensures that only the most dedicated, skillful, and physically fit males get to pass their superior genes on to the next generation. It's a powerful lesson in persistence, where only perfection is rewarded. The Baya Weaver belongs to the Plocida family of weaver birds, which are widely found across the grasslands and woodlands of Asia and Africa. They thrive in diverse environments, from the plains of India to the islands of Indonesia. In regions like Java, Sumatra, and Kalimantan, they are a common sight, especially near agricultural lands. You'll often see their distinctive nests hanging from the trees that line vibrant green rice paddies. For many local cultures, the Manyar is more than just a bird. It's a revered symbol. It represents patience, diligence, and the importance of building a strong household and a stable family foundation. Its unique nest shape has even inspired traditional crafts and art, a beautiful example of nature influencing human culture. Looking at these nests, it's easy to see why. They are not just homes. They are woven sculptures, hanging testaments to the incredible artistry that can be found in the animal kingdom. However, this admirable creature lives a life of tragic paradox. Because of their sheer numbers and their love for grains, especially rice seeds, the Baya Weaver is often classified as a severe agricultural pest, particularly as harvest time approaches. The same intense diligence and tireless energy that allow the male to build a beautiful home also make a flock of weavers an efficient and destructive force in a farmer's field. This direct conflict with human interests has led to a heartbreaking reality. In many areas, these birds are subjected to mass culling and eradication efforts. The master architect of the wilderness is hunted by the very humans who could stand to marvel at its inherent genius. It's a sad irony that the Baya Weaver, a symbol of hard work and creation, is destroyed for simply trying to survive. This complex relationship reminds us that nature's artistry isn't always convenient or appreciated, especially when it challenges the needs and priorities of human civilization. The story of the Baya Weaver is a powerful and sometimes tragic tale of beauty, survival, and the delicate balance between the wild and our world. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the story of this incredible bird as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from the natural world. See you next time.